What body part hears music? Ear. Is the baby walking? No. What color is the shirt? Red. Water. Where are they? Home. Word is. What is this? Mouth. If the bus is 58, what is their job? Police. Spread. Who is this? Teacher.
What color is the cat? Black.
What color is the grass?
Green. What body part is this? Hand.
Having these. What are these? Shows. And that's a refrain. What is he wearing? Pants. What are they wearing? Jacket.
What is the action? Brushing.
What place is this? Hospital. Where is she? Store. What are they doing? Watching TV. What is the action? Listening. How does she feel?
Happy.
What is this? Banana. Czechians. What is this vehicle? Bus. What animal is this? Dog. What is he sitting on? Chair. What color is the grass?
Green.
If the bus is 58, what is their job? Police. What is in the sky? Sun. What is the action? Opening. Where do you sleep? Bed. What is he doing? Swimming. What color is the shirt? Red. What object is this? Ball. Spread. Who is this? Teacher.
What color is the cat? Black. Is the elephant small? No, big.
Is the car slow? No, fast.
What body part is this? Hand.
Having these. What are these? Shows. How is the weather? Rainy. What is the polite word? Please. I drink tea and... What do I drink with tea? Soda. Complete. You drink. You drink juice. What? What do I drink? Water. What do I eat? Bread. What is this? Coffee. What do I do? I drink. I drink. I eat. Meat. I drink. Tea. And I eat. What is he eating? Bread. I drink.
What is the action? B. I eat.
What the goodies?
Greeting. Greeting.
Hello. What do you eat? Fish. What is this drink? Tea. I eat fish and meat. Replicate I drink soda. Indicum count. What is the greeting? Hello. Let's play. What is this? Meat. What food is this? Ham. What is on the plate? Fish. And what food? Jetzt. What food is this? Cheese. What is the action? Writing. What is he doing? Running. Vital. I drink water.
What animal is this? A lion.
The library is quiet.
What animal is this? A dog. Is this a tiger? No, a lion.
What is she doing? Swimming. Where is this? An airport. What action is this? Climbing.
Is the glass full? No, empty. What furniture is this? A bed.
What object is this? A key.
What is he doing? Washing.
Is the coffee cold? No, it's hot.
What is he doing? Running.
What body part is this? Hand. What color is the sky? Blue.
What action is this? Drinking.
The car is fast. The coffee is hot. What is he doing? Drinking.
What action is this? Singing.
What is she doing? Writing. What color is this? Red.
Is the box light? No, heavy.
What is he doing? Painting. What action is this? Jumping.
Is this a car? No, a bus. How is the weather? Rainy.
Is she walking? No, running.
How does she feel? Happy.
What is he doing? Washing. What is he doing? Ding, washing.
Jet Ezekias, what is this? A car. Is he sleeping? No, cooking. Who is this? A police officer. What object is this? A chair.
How is the weather? Rainy.
What action is this? Jumping.
Where does it live? In water.
What?
Are they fighting? No, hugging. What is he wearing? A hat. Is this a dog? No, a cat.
The dog is wet.
What is he doing? Washing. The giraffe is tall. What is he doing? Pushing. What room is this? A bedroom. Let's solve. Where are they? At a restaurant. Is he walking? No, running. What color is the flower? Yellow. Where are they? At the cinema. Is this a cat? No, a dog. Is this a pen? No, a pencil. What food is this? Pizza. What object is this? A mirror. What object is this? A pen. Is this an apple? No, a banana. Herk. Is he eating? No, drinking. What are they doing? Playing. Is this a taxi? No, a bus. The cat is code. Sleeping. Is she walking? No. Dancing. What object is this? A phone. How is the weather? Sunny. Where is this? Where is this? A park. Is he young? No, old. Who is this? A doctor. What part of the body is this? Eyes. What are they doing? Swimming. What room is this? A kitchen. Where are they? At school. The ring looks expensive.